Hey friends, what's going on? Welcome back here. Hope everything goes well with you. And today I got the new sneakers here. If you want to copy one, you can check on my web link beyondshop.ru. Okay, so you can look at this is the surface of this one, and this is the Union Air Jordan 4 sneakers ready to ship. So you can look on the top of the surface got Union and also got the hem here. And then let me show the size level. This is the Air Jordan 4 Union. Okay, and the size and all information, and also have the price there. Okay, now you can check. Now check. You can check the shoes here. This is the black color, and for this style, also we'll have another colors available. So you can pick up any color you want. For both color, I think are very good. So now you can check the details. You can check the whole side, and this is the style of Air Jordan 4 sneakers. The last lock. This is the rubber white, and this is the transparent color. So two colors on this part. And the other shoes, the black part, this is the black suede material, and also got the double white stitching for the workmanship is very good. And underneath here got UMLA, and this is the net. Underneath is the Nior material. And check the blue part, this is the nylon. So you can look at whole side how good. And I got the hand tag, white Jumpman, and the Union print there. And the bar from on the shoe tom here got a Jordan, and the below got Union, and also got the yellow station. On the shoes got the black station, and also got the net here. And from this part is nylon, very comfortable. And about the inner side got the same, so it's the same. Just have a look. And about the bottom. The back side, really good, right? And then about the inside, this is the back side of the shoe tom, and then the size tag of the side here. And about this color is the blue. Got the black shoe pipe, red Jumpman, and the Union print there. And this pair got another extra shoelace is the yellow color. Okay, so for more details, you can check on my web link, and here just give you a quick look. This is the Union Air Jordan 4. What do you think with this style? You can comment below. If you want to copy, please check on my web link. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.